Hi everybody, this is CR number 7, helper video number 1. This will help you to do the first multiple choice question. First thing you have to look at is we have 5n minus 4 plus 3n minus 7n minus 1. First thing we need to do is order of operations. So I'm going to look at PEMDAS here. I'm going to write this on the side for you. And remember, we're just going to go ahead and follow through on this process, and we're going to just do it one step at a time. And you're going to realize this giant problem, giant expression is really not as difficult as you think. The first thing it says is we need to do parentheses. So if I look solely at this first set of parentheses, 5n minus 4, I notice those are not like terms, so I cannot put them together. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring those down right here because I can't do anything with those terms. So those can just remove the parentheses on their own. Now I'm going to look at this set here. I have 3n's minus 7n's. Well, those are both n's, so those are like terms. So if I take 3n's and I subtract 7n's, first of all, notice I have more negatives than positives because I have 7 negatives, 3 positives. And how many more negatives do I have? I have 4 more negatives. So that totals negative 4n. So I'm going to bring it down right here. Then I have this minus 1 that's kind of sitting on the outside. So I'm going to just go ahead and bring that down. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to look at anything that is like terms inside of here. So inside of this bracket here, and I will go ahead and write the bracket, sorry about that, I have a 5n minus a 4n. And you might be able to do that without even making a x's or an n's and no's table, because you just know 5n's minus 4n's is just 1n. So hopefully you can just go ahead and think that in your head. I'm going to go ahead and bring down this minus 4, and then I still have the minus 1. Well, the only like terms I have here are my constants. I have a negative 4 and a negative 1. Well, remember, I have 4 negatives here, and I have 1 negative here. So if I'm going to go ahead and find out how many negatives I have altogether, 4 plus 1 is 5. I have 5 negatives altogether. I just bring down the 1n, and there I go, I'm done. And it matches what is marked up here. Good luck.